Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I am bringing you the unboxing of the OnePlus 6T and why I am leaving the Pixel 3 to go to this phone. So let's go over the specs because I feel that's what is pretty obvious to a lot of people. This costs $799. This costs $579, so it's a $120 difference. But I also got the T-Mobile variant, which means I got to trade in my G6, which gave me a discount. Now, however, I did trade in my Pixel 2 XL, so there are discounts available for both, but it just really makes a difference when this is going for closer to $300 because of that trade-in. So that being said, this one gives me 128 gigs of storage and it gives me 8 gigs of RAM, whereas this one only gives me 4 gigs of RAM. This also gives me the latest technology that I've just been waiting to test out, and that is a fingerprint scanner built into the display. So really excited to test that out. And I'm gonna switch from the Pixel 3. I've already taken the SIM card out, so I am ready to jump to this phone. And yes, it does have the notch, but I like to introduce you to the notch that is really dedicated to me, and I do thank OnePlus for this because this is the OnePlus 6 Tech Guy Edition. I mean, what did you honestly think the T stood for? It obviously stands for the Tech Guy because it has the notch that matches the notch on my head. Insert photo here. As you can see, the notch clearly takes inspiration from me, and I thank OnePlus for dedicating a phone for me. I really do appreciate it, so make sure you thank them guys on Twitter and YouTube and everywhere else. Let them know we appreciate the OnePlus 6 Tech Guy Edition. Really appreciate it. All right, so really excited to test this out. Really excited to see just how this phone does. Now, I will say that I was disappointed that T-Mobile didn't have the matte black version of this.
Until you hear a beep to enable accessibility mode.
I really hate the accessibility kind of already turning on by default, but because I really hate this mirror finish. However, I did get the carbon fiber backing cover, so I'm gonna get that on there. Yes, I still rock cases, but man, this mirror finish is just, ugh, I really can't stand it. So what else do you have in the box? You do have, let's see. Go ahead and leave that there. You do have the dash charge, and you have the dongle, because of course now this no longer has the headphone jack. Now OnePlus excuse for this, excuse I say, not reason, was because, well, they wanted to make a bigger battery and they wanted a fingerprint scanner in the display so they could no longer do a headphone jack. I still think they could have, but I will say this, I do appreciate how narrow these bezels are at the bottom. I really do appreciate just they're very narrow, so I do like that. They are narrower than the original OnePlus 6 that I did use before, so I'm happy to see that, and I really can't just wait to see how this all is. So I'm gonna set up the phone and just kind of set up the fingerprint scanner because that's one of the impressions I really want to see right away and see how it is. So let's go ahead and check that out. Okay guys, so right away I can say the face unlock, super quick, obviously, no problems with that. The fingerprint though, it works when it works. I feel like, I don't know, maybe if I have to put my imprint in a couple more times, but like certain spots, I feel like it won't get it, like the edge. So that's just one thing kind of like you just want to look out for. But overall, I like that you still can put multiple fingers in there. Index goes real quick. But yeah, so just being able to put it on there, it does take a second, so it is slower, but still, if you're just, you know, needing to go, you can just right away, I feel it does work. And I think it's definitely a good replacement for having a rear fingerprint because now you can use it anytime you want. You don't have to wait for you to pick up the phone to use it. Although, to be fair, like that might take a little bit longer, and it doesn't look like you can actually make it just go with it. Like I would like if my finger goes on here, I want it to unlock, but it looks like you have to kind of wake up gesture to make it happen. So I'm gonna play around with it, see if you can do it otherwise. But overall, pretty happy with this screen, the way it feels, everything about it in comparison to it. Obviously, we got a lot to test out, and we will be testing it out. Again, shout out to OnePlus for making the Tech Guy edition, the OnePlus 6 Tech Guy edition. So shout out to them for that. Make sure to add them for that. But yeah, so really can't wait to test it out. I still will probably get rid of the notch, just so you guys know. That's just me, which should be somewhere on here. Notch display, boom, you can hide it. Tech Guy edition, regular edition. Tech Guy edition, regular edition. So pretty simple and easy. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.